let's wake you up with a double spro. I'm really treating you here. We've got a fantastic rosé yeast 72-hour fermentation from Cartels. They've done a collab with Riverdale Estate in India. Really, really fantastic farm, great people. I love their coffee. Now, because I am at home, I don't have an EK43. My grinder's set up for the Smooth Criminal. We'll get onto that one next. I'm going to hand grind this bad boy on the Comandante. 8 clicks. It gives me really good even particle distribution. And I'm going to pour 19 grams in around 22 seconds and get 36 out. And that is going to be tip top for you this morning. Now that we've hand grinded, that was an experience. We're going to load up the coffee into the group handle. So we've got really nice fine particles. The Comandante is amazing. It can do everything from espresso to filter. We're using the OCD tool. Distributes out, gets rid of any of those air pockets, minimises channeling. Best $200 you can spend. And a good level tamp with a Reggie Barber into the machine. So, 2 spros, one for you, one for me. And we're going to hit it nice and softly with 6 bar. Oh, a little bit of channeling. And there we are at 9 bar. So we're going to take this up to 36. Because this is an experimental fermentation, shots do run quite quickly, but they're still full of flavour and well balanced. So it's 22 seconds, just like I said. And ready for us to enjoy. Fantastic. Okay, so cheers. I'm getting blueberries, dark chocolate, really good, a winey body, well balanced, fantastic coffee yet again. Alright, so onto milk based. We're vegan. I've been practicing with a lot of different alternative milks. I think it is a lot harder than cow's milk as far as I can tell. And I'm pretty happy with where I've got to. Tools of the trade. I've gone and invested in a shin jug, got the measurements on the inside. This has been absolutely vital, so I'm not wasting anything. And onto the coffee. So Josie Coffee, Smooth Criminal. Huge fan of Michael Jackson and Josie. It's got my favourite in there, Riverdale Estate. And you're going to get caramel, stone fruits and hazelnut. Super nice classic coffee with milk. So let's get started. Let's put Josie in the hopper. So every day I kind of empty out the hopper, keeping those beans fresh. And we're going to do 19 grams in. So the built-in scales with the Sete 270. Really, really reliable. Love this thing. Bosh, look at that, 19 grams. Love it. So with this, we're going 19 grams in to 42 grams out. We're using an 8-ounce keep cup. Still getting my use out of these during the COVID. I'm not giving these bad boys up, still giving them a workout. Look at that classic Melbourne pour. So this one's a washed Colombian and a washed Riverdale Estate from India. It's got really nice hazelnut on the crema. In the body of the coffee is caramel and those stone fruits. Works really nicely with the oat milk. So 42 grams out. pop that down and we'll get on to the milk session. So I'm getting that vortex. Hopefully I'll end up with some nice silky oat milk. Purging that little wand out. I don't want porridge in the end of the wand. No one likes a block of steam tip. So that's pretty good milk for me. So we're breaking the crema. I've got all the tips I can off of Shin and Jibby, plus a load of local baristas. Oh, here we go. So that's my happy little tulip. Using the Oatly and a smooth criminal. Enjoy. Alright, so the GS3, first time I saw one of these little bad boys was in the Centre Lee back dining room. I think it was around 2014, and I was just like, oh my god, like I want to play with that thing. It was just the body and the build and just the way that it felt. I took a picture of it and I searched and searched and searched online and I could not find the build that Centre Lee had, and that was because it actually had the Dan Specht panels on of the Centre Lee Angel. And so from that moment on I kept that picture and it became the lifelong goal. The thing that I love the most about it is the conical valve. It means that I can buy all types of beans and play with pressure, volumes, and really kind of identify how to get the best out of those different beans, different roast styles. It means that I can have people round and I can serve fantastic coffee just like you would get in a cafe. And it means I have access to all kinds of beans and I'm not just set on the cafe down the street and what they're stocking that week. It means I can have a whole drawer of beans or a whole freezer full of beans and just play around and get the most out of it. Nothing better than coming down in the morning, it's already on, it's on a timer, I do my double shot and the world's good, and then I hit it with a long black and then I go on to my V60s. But yeah, I just love coffee, I love talking about coffee, I love going to visit roasters, I love talking to producers. It's, you know, I feel like we've only just started to understand coffee, and I feel like this machine helps me understand it by how the coffee runs. Yeah, so my dreams come true. The next thing is these nice wooden panels, little wooden paddle and a little wooden handle. Alrighty, on to our signature drink. So a lot of the time we have friends around on a Saturday afternoon and they'll say, surprise me. So this truly is my signature drink. It's Indian tonic water, which will match nicely with our 72-hour Rosé Riverdale estate. In goes the Indian tonic water. And here comes the magic, a double shot of the rosé. Now what I love best about this drink is that creamy, thick head, like a good quality stout. It's really fun to drink. The quinine in the tonic water, that bittersweet works really well with a rich, sweet, exotic coffee. If you've never tried tonic water and espresso, you're missing out. And yeah, so this one's for me and my friends. Cheers.